Raju Singh. I study in Mayo College. My class and section is 7B. Today we will try and understand how basic objects break when they fall from a certain height, and how can we avoid breaking those objects by building a contraption such as this to avoid breaking an egg. So, and understand the certain principles about this. So let's begin. Here, this is a brown egg. So first I'll put it in this model to see if it breaks. Hopefully it won't break, as I have added a lot of support here. And now let's see. Now I've dropped this. 3, 2, 1. Before I explain to you why the egg didn't break, let's see if it didn't actually break. So yes, it didn't break. So while the egg had potential energy, and then when I dropped it, the potential energy converted to kinetic energy.
Okay.
Now, the parachute and the straw contraption both played a role in this. This delayed the impact, while this absorbed the impact. The longer the duration of the impact, the more force is spread, and now the binding energy of the egg shell is still intact.
Hello my friends and my teachers. My name is Aditya Agrawal. I am studying in Mayo College, Ajmer, Rajasthan. My class and section is 7th B. Today I am going to show you an experiment of dancing popcorn. For experiment, you will need a glass of water, a plate, a spoon, some popcorn seeds, in a ball of vinegar, and baking soda. First, kept up and place a paper on table so your table didn't get dirty. Place the plate on the paper, and on plate place glass. Then add some popcorn cereals in water, and some popcorn seeds in popcorn. As you see, there is nothing effect on popcorn. Then add some vinegar. Then add vinegar to the glass. Okay. Then add some baking. Then take some baking soda in spoon and add. As you see, the flame comes. It is because the vinegar and baking soda react together, which causes million tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide. It will settle in 1-2 minutes. After settling, you will see that the popcorns are stick together and they are doing up and down. Because the gas is trapped underneath, which is lifted the popcorn. The popcorn are sticking together, which will look like dancing popcorn. As the popcorn goes up, the bubbles burst and it come again, and air and more is collected on the sides. The process will continue for some time, then it will settle down.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to do an experiment in which we need a bottle, a boiled egg, and then a piece of paper and a matchstick. So what we have to prove is that the air, what we have to do is that without us pushing the egg, the air pressure will push it, because if we push it, then it will not go. So what we need to do is that first we need to light up the paper.
I'm Rishit Mahajan, and I'm going to demonstrate an activity which shows the effect of acid and base on turmeric. This is water. This is lemon. This is turmeric, and this is washing powder. And I will put some turmeric on the plate and make a paste. Now I will put some turmeric, and I will now put some water. And now I will make the paste of it. Now my paste is ready, and now I will put some washing powder in it. Now you can see it is red in color, and the indicator is red, and which shows it is basing in nature. Now I will put some lemon. Now I will put lemon in it. You can see the yellowish color of turmeric comes back, which shows it is acidic in nature.
Today I am going to show you an activity in which the brain gets confused very easily. So first place your palm on a flat surface, then fold your middle finger to the maximum. Then try to move your each finger once at a time. You can move your index finger, your thumb and your little finger, but you cannot move your ring finger. This is because of the main tendon that is present in the middle finger. A branch of this main tendon is also present in the ring finger. So the main tendon is outstretched. So the same signal passes to the branch here, and that's why the ring finger cannot move.